Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice, or as we like to call it on here, Eva! Today's topic is vocal range. Now, this topic was requested by Ace Koopa, as well as something that I was planning to cover, so thanks Ace. You certainly bumped this up on the production scale. Okay, for people that may not know, your vocal range is, put simply, the range of your voice. Your highs to your lows, your gravelly to your nasally. Most people attribute vocal range to specifically singing, which, although good to know, doesn't exclusively apply. Knowing your range can help you a bunch in voice acting. Since it is better known from the music standpoint, I'll lay out the basics. Your male vocal types are bass, baritone, and tenor. Your female vocal types are alto, mezzo-soprano, and soprano. Bass is the low of the low. Most females can't hit it, but God, it's good.
Old man river, that old man river.
Baritone is the middle range that most men think they fall into. Then, of course, we have tenor, the highest pitch of the lower notes that most men can hit, but tend to be scared to hit. Alto is rather low pitch for females, but most females tend to be altos. Or, well, higher altos.
If you don't, you let me know what you're feeling. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's impossible.
A jump up from alto is mezzo-soprano, which is where I sit. Many mezzos are trumped with the belty card when singing, since many mezzo parts written for choirs need to be a bit louder than the other parts. It is also the most forgotten vocal type out of the bunch. Before I began my vocal journey, I didn't even know it existed. I thought I was just a weird alto that could just go into soprano. The more you know.
Like a stray baby lamb with no mammy and no pappy, I'm so unhappy.
And last but not least, the type that all women lust over, soprano. Sopranos are the highest of the high, and, well, tend to be favored due to reaching those tip-top notes. Now that we have a base understanding of where the ranges and vocal types are, you're probably asking yourself, well, how do I know what I am? Well, in the description, I linked a handy-dandy site that can help you find your lowest note and your highest note and give you your range. But do note, going about it this way can result in the note count being a bit off, so use this as a general rule of thumb rather than concrete evidence. For example, with this method, I calculated that my lowest note is a B2 and my highest is a C6. So with that information, I can then see that my range is tenor through soprano, and then some. Nah, that doesn't mean that I can sing every single song and voice every single thing. No. That's just the absolute limits of what my voice can do. With practice and dedication, that can change. And that applies to everyone. Okay. I can hear you guys now. Innocent, what is this? I came here for voice acting advice, not a singing lesson! Trust me, knowing this is actually very beneficial to voice acting. Knowing what notes you can hit means that you can take the feeling of where that note is and translate it into speech. For example, here's my normal speaking voice. If I turn that into song, you get a high alto. But if I go higher and play around up here, turning that into speech becomes a lot easier. Again, like I say continuously on this show, practice is going to help you out here. Not me. I'm giving advice, and maybe a push in the right direction. But only you know your voice best. Well, with that being said, thank you for watching. Have any suggestions or requests for other Eva topics? Please leave them in the comments below or at me on Twitter. Creating love. Still haven't changed it. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. This has been episode number 25 of Eva. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!